Hello, assalamu alaikum. Fatim Ali back in the kitchen for you guys again today. And today we're making you an egg salad. Egg and tomato with some red onion salad, guys. It's gonna be nice. So guys, we've got 5 eggs to boil for our salad. Guys, the eggs are nice and boiled, so I'm gonna turn the heat down and I'm going to put this in cold water before we peel it. Guys, the eggs are nice and cold in the cold water here, so I'm going to peel them. I'm gonna extend this lovely extender here while I put the onion there, and then I'm going to put the salad on it. It's all nice and lovely. This is a simple salad recipe, guys, and you can have it with anything that you want to have it with. So I'm going to put that on here, and I'm going to cut the tomatoes. Guys, I'm going to make a simple dressing for the egg salad, and it's going to be like a French dressing. So I've got a whole grain mustard here. I'm not going to use too much, just going to use that much. And I've got a whole Dijon mustard, tiny bit of that too. And I'm going to use a tiny bit of pepper and a pinch of salt. Then I'll add some vinegar in, 1 tablespoon, and some oil, 1 tablespoon. I'm gonna give this a stir. I'm also going to put a pinch of brown sugar. Try it, guys, it's very nice. Try brown sugar in your salad dressing, guys. It's very nice. So I'll put that here and I'll bring the salad forward. And then I'm just going to drizzle this on the top of the salad. Guys, look at that. That is one simple and easy egg salad ready, coming on your way. So that's all that we made today in the kitchen, guys, for you. If you like this egg salad recipe, please put your thumbs up to like, and if you're new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the notification bell right over here, so that you don't miss out on content when we post a new video. And in the meantime, that's all that we've got for you guys, and thank you all so much for watching. Until we come on your way again soon, bye bye.